Hi, we're Jack and Gab. For the past few weeks, we've been exploring Cambodia. From the bustling capital city of Phnom Penh
I don't know how we're gonna cross this street.
to the relaxed countryside of Kampot, we've gotten a pretty good taste of the country.
Oh dang, that's good.
We just arrived on the island of Koh Rong after a long and crazy day of travel.
So this is as far as the bus takes us, I guess.
And now it's time to go exploring. Normally we would rent a motorbike and just zoom around, but we heard the best way to get around Koh Rong is actually by boat. So today, we're embracing the island life mentality and boarding a boat to see what Koh Rong is all about.
Alright, good morning from Koh Rong. Had to think about what the island name was for a second. Today we're just like fueling up, having some breakfast, and then we are going to be going on like a boat tour of the island. It's kind of cool because it's organized to our hotel, and we're going to get like a free dinner of seafood included. We get to see like the plankton glowing at night, a couple different beaches, and it'll be a whole day excursion. So kind of fuel up now.
Got these tasty looking breakfast burritos, some fresh ketchup, some hot sauce.
You know I'm gonna go all in on the hot sauce.
So it's gonna be an awesome day.
You guys ready for an awesome day? Yes. Yep. So ready to hop on the boat.
Stop number one is to do some snorkeling. We got the goods, it's time to go snorkeling.
2, 1. Doesn't the water feel great? Oh my god, water feels awesome. I crossed up.
Hell yeah, honey.
Lily, come over here, there's stuff really close. Did you like it?
I loved it. It was super cool seeing the fish and the sea urchins and other stuff that I don't know what it is because I'm from the Midwest, but it was a good time.
After everyone was done snorkeling, we were off to cruise around some more. It was a beautiful day to be out on the water. We snacked on some fruit while the crew got everyone set up to go fishing.
All right, Mr. Fisherman, let's see what you got.
Like you?
Feel any pulls?
No, nothing yet.
Oh my gosh, he is good. Is that his like 4th fish?
Yeah, he was on a roll.
Yeah.
Yeah!
If I was on Survivor, I'd want to be on his tribe.
All right, shall we head to land?
Yes, we have to wade through the waters.
I gotta say, this might be one of the best beaches we've ever been to. Water feels so good, and it's just so quiet. I mean, minus the music from the boat that's right over here. But it doesn't get much better than this.
I think this is like objectively one of the most beautiful beaches I've ever been on.
I could not agree more. It's so insanely beautiful here. The water's crystal clear.
And it's really warm too.
Oh, got a guy riding a motorbike down the beach.
One thing we think is so funny about Southeast Asia that there's nowhere they won't ride a motorbike. Absolutely nowhere is off limits. So right now we are just sitting, taking in the views. The sun is slowly starting to set. We are on top of this like massive rock on the beach, and I feel like the Little Mermaid. It's just, it feels like a dream.
It really does. And right now, back on the boat, the guys are cooking up a meal for us to eat after we're done swimming and just hanging out.
Starving.
So this has just been a super, super cool day.
And it's not over yet.
And it's not over yet.
After dinner, there's one more really special thing that we're going to be doing that I'm really looking forward to.
Well, should we get back on the boat soon and go see what the status of dinner is?
Yeah, but I'm really glad we came here because A, the beach is beautiful, and B, we got to see mini Angkor Wat, which is perfect because we're not seeing real Angkor Wat. Thank you. All right, dinner looks good.
Looks really good.
Start it up.
Once dinner was finished, we enjoyed a little more time at the beach and caught the sunset. Finally, when it was dark enough, we were on the move once again.
Oh my gosh, I saw them. You did? Yes. The camera didn't, but I did.
Oh, I do see that!
Yeah.
I don't know if it'll catch on camera.
It's not showing.
Oh, that's so cool!
Such a fun night.
There were some good people on that boat. The guys driving the boat were super, super cool. That was a fun day, but an even more fun night.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, for 15 bucks, you get like the whole day and you get to see all parts of the island. It was so worth it.
Yeah, and you get a meal and a couple free beers. Like, it's a sweet deal.
Would totally recommend that. Had the best day. Okay, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Don't have Grab your boot, grab your stuff, and hang on for dear life.
Get your wife, get your keys.
If I can eat it without getting my hair in my mouth. Ugh. I have one hand on the camera, one in my... Everybody has to pee. We're all going in the water.
Did you pee in the ocean?
Yeah, did you?
Me too.
Go on, yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
Scram.
Move along.